Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini. Okay, Gemini placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Let's see. Okay, this is your general and love read. Okay, this mid-December. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, yes, kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, okay, we have protection from evil eye, meron tayong love bracelet, meron tayong granter. Okay, so si granter is nakakatulong para mas mabilis dumating yung winamanifest. Okay, and yung ating pang cord cut. Okay, kung may tanong, message na lang po. Okay, so yeah, let's start the reading, Gemini. Unahin natin yung general. Okay, so ano bang meron ngayong mid-December? Okay, energy. Tingnan natin ano bang meron. Okay, Gemini. Okay, the Knight of Swords. Anong meron sa Knight of Swords? The Eight of Swords in reversed. Meron itong situation na parang daraan lang. Okay? Yeah, in general. Meron ditong sitwasyon na parang dadaan lang. Hindi siya magiging permanent. Hindi siya magiging, sabihin nating, magiging bahagi ng buhay mo. Okay? So, meron ditong daraan lang. Ano to? Tingnan natin. Okay. What's this? The Three of Pentacles. Oh no. The Two of Cups in reversed. Sana hindi connection na hindi dapat. Okay. The Three of Pentacles. So, for me, yung energy na to in general is pwedeng andun yung gusto mo to. Okay. Pero hindi dapat. Yeah. The Three of Pentacles, yung iba sa inyo po pagdating sa workplace, okay, in general, finance, meron ditong parang daraan lang. I don't know kung anong meron. Okay, yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa kaperahan, sabihin nating maganda ang flow. Okay, maganda ang flow, walang masyadong stress. Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reversed. Okay, so walang masyadong isipin. Kung merong mga issue, may mga drama, problem na darating, hindi naman magtatagal. Okay, so what else? Some of you, this is 3, energy ng 3. If you're in a connection na already, so pwedeng may mga energy na parang sasali, no? Oo. Pero hindi naman magtatagal. Okay. So what else for you? The Two of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? The Hierophant. Nakakaumay na mga sitwasyon, paulit-ulit, meron na kayong mga babaguhin. Some of you people, situation, may mga drop kayo, may mga ika-cut off kayo. Okay, what's with this Two of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah, the Judgment in reversed. So, iba sa inyo gagawa na ng pagdedesisyon, okay, over this, kung anong meron. Okay, lalo na yung mga sitwasyong paulit-ulit. A routine, maybe some of you. Okay, some of you pagdating sa routine, mayroong babaguhin, like pagising mo sa umaga, okay? kung anong usual mong ginagawa, hindi na yun ang usual mong gagawin. Okay, something like that. Yeah, simple as that. Okay, so babasagin yung routine. Okay. Ano tong Hierophant? In reversed. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Hanggang ngayon, sabihin nating para kang nasa crossroads. Okay? Pero sinasabi naman dito na gagawa ka ng decision. Yes, meron ka ng mga iiwan, meron ka ng aalisan. Okay? I don't know kung ano yun. This is general. Okay? So, again, kung wala man na ganun sa buhay mo, edi wow, diba? Pero, yeah. Again, don't force a message to fit, okay? So, what else? Ano pang meron for you, Gemini? Message. Ang dami namang twos. So, I'm seeing 222 angel number. Okay? So, tingnan nyo na lang sa Google. Yeah, that's another message from universe. Okay? The Two of Swords, decision. What's with that? Justice in reversed. Bakit ganun? May energy rito na parang sobrang hirap alisan or alisin yung mga injustice. Yung mga bawal, yung mga hindi pwede, yung hindi dapat. Bakit ganun? I don't know. Some of you, ito na yung nakagawian mo. Okay? Komportable ka doon siguro. Yeah. Ano ba tong justice in reversed? Some of you, there's this delay. Specific. Delay pagdating sa isang legal issue. Kung ano mang meron. Kung meron kang hinihintay. May chance na, yeah, there's delay. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reversed. Some of you, you have to avoid magkaroon or umenter sa isang connection na maraming option, third parties. Okay? Yeah, I think ayun yung magpapabagal sa'yo. The Eight of Wands in reversed. Okay? Specific, this is infidelity. Yeah. Shouting, infidelity. Iba sa inyo, if you're in a third party relationship, merong pipiliin and merong hindi. Okay, someone will make decision na pagdating doon. Okay? So, I don't know kung anong meron. Some of you might be dealing with a Libra or air sign like you. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay. Yeah, the Fool. And the Nine of Swords. Okay, so this is taking risk or something na parang lalabas ka sa comfort zone mo. Parang ganyan, okay? So, it's like scary. Yeah, kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganito or something lang talaga na may decision na gagawin. Okay, na pwedeng bago pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa'yo, Gemini. In general, ngayong mid-December. Okay, so, punta na tayo. Okay, sa person on your mind. Okay, so, who's the person on your mind? Gemini! The person on Gemini's mind. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Gemini. The person on your mind. Sino ba yan? The Magician. The one you're manifesting. Or maybe minamanifest ka ng taong to. Okay? Virgo. What's with that? What's with this magician? The Emperor in reversed. Some of them, they have ego, pride. Specific, merong energy itong taong to. Meron siyang sariling business. Okay, napaka-independent nitong taong to. Parang yung energy niya is hindi niya kailangan ng someone. Parang ganun. Yes, and yun, isa doon is yung ego and pride ng taong to. Virgo and Aries. Okay? Business owner, yeah. The Emperor in reverse, the Emperor, Empress. Okay? Yung the Queen of Cups in reverse, the Nine of Cups, yeah. Itong taong to, okay? Sabihin natin, pwedeng tingin mo sa kanya is napaka-selfish. Okay? Napaka-selfish or hindi sila like upfront or transparent pagdating sa kanilang emotion. Okay? Some of them, tingin mo sa kanila is napaka-happy. Yeah. Okay? Ang daming responsibilidad nitong taong to, sa totoo lang. Yeah. Some of them, you're manifesting this. Yeah, you're manifesting this. Okay? Itong taong to, pwedeng minamanifest mo or pwedeng flip yung energy or vice versa. Ano bang meron pagdating sa situation ninyo, Gemini? Anong meron? The Ace of Cups. What's with this? Ha? Ano to? What's with this Ace of Cups? The Five of Swords. Meron ditong parang in love. Okay, pero there's a lot of conflicts here. Okay, hang on, sandali lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay, so situation again, iba sa inyo may conflicts nga, no? And meron din ditong parang halo-halo yung emosyon or stressing. Okay, somebody is stressing. Tingnan natin, ha? Okay. Ang nakuha ko rito, Gemini, you want this person, okay, or vice versa, or flip yung energy. Okay, you're manifesting this person. Pero I think maraming hindrance, no? Or blockages pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Ayoko na lang maging specific. Okay? Because yes, ang dami nyo nanonood, ha? Okay, so tingnan nyo na lang kung anong inyo, kung ano yung issue. Maybe yun. Okay? Ano ba emosyon niya for you? Ano emosyon na itong taong to sa'yo, Gemini? The Three of Wands. Why? The Queen of Pentacles. What? Gemini, gustong-gusto ka nito. Gustong-gusto ka nito, ha? Ha? They're waiting. Expectations ang dami. The Queen of Pentacles universe, I don't know, some of them sa ngayon po, ha, is parang hindi ganoon ka-open pagdating sa'yo. Bakit? Anong dahilan? Anong dahilan ng taong to? Kung gusto ka, hinihintay ka, pero bakit ganon? Anong dahilan? Why? Why the Queen of Pentacles in reversed? Anong dahilan niya? Kasi parang nag-step back. Yeah, the Judgment in reversed. Oh. Nagpapahabol. Yeah, nagpapahabol siya. No. Okay? So, may kinat off tong taong to. Or sabihin nating merong inend or something na parang tingigil muna. Okay? Yung iba sa kanila, naging available sa'yo. Okay? Like, super available. Pero sa ngayon, hindi. They're just like waiting, sitting. Okay? Pero yes, gusto ko nito. They're in their head. Okay? I think you're in their head. Oo. Living in their head, rent-free. You're living in their head, rent-free. Wow. Ang gwapo mo, no? Ang ganda mo. Tingnan natin, Oh my God. Okay, let's see what is their next action towards you. What is their next action towards you? Ngayong mid-December. The Ten of Cups Universe. Hindi talaga ito magpapakita. Hindi yan magpaparamdam. Okay? Paparamdam sa'yo niyan parang kulang. Andun yung parang hahanapin mo siya. Okay? Naging open nga eh. Naging, sabihin natin, available na available itong taong to sa'yo. And then, bigla siya nag-step back. So, ano mangyayari? Gusto niya kasi na humabol ka. Gusto niya kasi na hanapin mo siya. Yeah. Why? Why the Ten of Cups in reversed? See? See? Yeah. Para may mabago. 'Di ba? Ikaw na yung parang kakailangan sa kanya. Okay? Advice ko sa'yo, Gemini, huwag mo nga habulin. Okay? Hindi yan makakatiis. Hindi siya makakatiis. Okay? Yung ginagawa niyang paghihintay na yan, yung ginagawa niya kung ano man, parang nag-step back siya. Siya ulit ang magbabalik. Okay? Hindi niya kakayanin. Kung sino man to, hindi niya kakayanin. Okay? Masyado kang maganda eh. Masyado kang pogi eh, ha? Okay? Yeah. Palakpak naman ang tenga ng iba. Let's see. Yeah, ganun lang. Para siyang magpapamiss lang. Okay? So, advice, outcome for you, Gemini. The Eight of Cups in reverse. Okay. And the Eight of Swords in reverse. The Knight of Wands. So this is just, sabihin nating playtime. Okay? This is just a playtime. Play, laro. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong sabihin nating hindi mo na hindi mo na ira hindi mo na to sabihin nating some of you meron kayong age gap. Okay? Andun ka na sa seryosohang bagay, itong taong to hindi pa. So outcome, the Eight of Cups in reverse and the Eight of Swords in reverse. Release yourself. Okay? Some of you, sa tingin ko, parang kang na-stuck rin. Okay? Parang kang na-stuck rin. Yeah. Don't have to. Okay? Release mo na lang sa sarili mo dito. Yeah. I don't know why. There's too many conflicts. No? Parang ang dami-daming drama dito, ang dami-daming senaryo. Okay? Alam niyo sa sarili niyo yan, ha? Okay? So, meron ditong energy ng sobrang dami. Okay, kung alam mo sa sarili mo na you're in a connection, itong taong to, meron din. Okay? So, again, ha? Again. Don't force a message to fit. Okay? Don't force a message to fit. Walang patutunguhan tong connection na to. Sa totoo lang. Yeah. Napakan mo pride nito. Itong taong to. Pahabol ko lang, ha. Napakan mo yung pride niya. Yes. I don't know why. I don't know how. Okay? Pero sa tingin ko, nandun din yung kagustuhan mo eh. Yeah. Again, the Queen of Swords. This is your energy. You're an air sign. Okay, alam mo kung ano yung dapat, alam mo yung hindi. Okay, and I think, itong connection na to, walang patutunguhan to. Kung ano man. Okay? So, mas stuck ka lang dito actually. Kung pipiliin mo to, may stuck ka lang. Yeah. Para kang nakikipag relasyon dito sa kinder. Parang ganun. Yes. Wala pa sa sabihin natin sa tino yung utak niya. Actually. Yeah. Ikaw nasa tino ka na, no? Pero parang nahahawa kayo. Wag kang mahawa. Okay. Iba sa inyo parang ano eh, andun sa utak mo yung parang bakit kaya? Okay, bakit kaya siya parang medyo nawala-wala? Okay? Medyo kumukurot-kurot ng kaunti sa utak mo tong taong to. No? Medyo sumisilip-silip ng kauntian. Napapaisip-isip ka bakit? So yun na. Ang nangyayari doon, tumatalab na yung ginagawa niya ng pag-step back. Okay? Kung wala namang importansya, bakit pa? 'Di ba? Kung walang importansya. Okay? So, yun, ha? Okay. This is new, I think. So, punta na tayo. Oo, sa all signs are through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Okay, the Aries. Okay, oh. There's emotion. They love you. Some of them, they love you. Taurus. They're waiting. Some of them, they're trying na... There's tension, I think. There's tension. Gemini. Oh. There's attraction. Okay. A lot. There's progress. Some of you, there's this pregnancy. Okay. Yeah, sa energy nyo. Or sa energy nitong Gemini na to. Cancer. Backstabbing. I'm hearing backstab. Endings. And energy of healing. Leo. Do you want to take risk? Virgo. They're waiting, thinking of you. The Libra. Andun yung parang hindi. It's a no. Like, it's no. Okay? Why? Because some of them, sabihin natin, they're independent. I don't know kung ano ibig sabihin. Okay? They can provide sa sarili nila. Something like that. Okay. Scorpio. They're sad. Lalo na kung may nangyaring endings. Okay, with this Scorpio. Sagittarius, being mysterious. Some of them, they're hiding their true feelings for you. They have emotions, actually. Tinatry lang nilang itago talaga. Capricorn, being unclear. Okay? They're trying na merong itago. Okay? There's this boundaries. Okay? Hindi transparent si Capricorn. Aquarius. Okay, so I think you can get this fast communication. Yes, fast communication, like back and forth communication, pero hindi nga ganun na magtatagal, I think. Some of you, you'll get a message from this Aqua. Pisces. Oh, they're stalking you. Yeah, they're stalking you. They want to talk, they want to communicate, they want to strike you a message, to send you a message, but now they're just stalking. Okay, so there. So yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.